Yo, what's happening? Hey, say, it's your boy checking in for hopefully a little quick little video. Got dog on me. I'm gonna get straight to it. We finna put us one of them forever sharp motherfuckers on that motherfucker. I'm gonna show you something. Man, Tim I'm working with right now. Yeah, Tim like I said, we got that forever sharp motherfucker. Now you gonna wanna do take you like a little flathead down. You gonna wanna kind of pry this up. I kind of done already pried it a little bit. I just broke it in front of y'all. Ain't that crazy? Damn. Either way you go, that's your horn button, or that would be your horn button. Y'all know that's my city horn right there. That don't even work no way. So what you'll do, this is like a 32 millimeter nut, supposed to be at least. 32 millimeter equals up to 1 1/4. So you'll hit that real quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We ain't got my little breaker bar. That wasn't that hard to take off. That's a little now tell me that. So boom. This is the part to where I felt hard headed. The videos I did watch were long-winded. You know what I'm talking about? Everybody was talking about a steering wheel puller. I feel like I can get this mug off of this here without a steering wheel puller. But I went to Harbor Freight, got a $15 steering wheel puller, just in case I can't get it till end up off of there. Let's do it. Man, end up using the what you call it. Got that off of there. Man, tell me I got the old thing to get the adapter out of here. The adapter, per their website, model number is T01. Pretty much go from any Freightliner. I want to say from like 86 to 06, perhaps. Either way it go. Let's put the adapter on here, y'all. All right, so boom. That's the T01 adapter. I went ahead and started the nut back on it. And then you have the, I was trying to figure out how all this stuff go together between the actual quote-unquote, not talking about button, and that thing right there type of time, but I figured it out. But really what I was trying to figure out was how to pop this out. I had assumed you had to pop this snap ring out to get the horn button out, but don't do that. If you got one, take you a little pick, and he gonna come right on up out of there. Don't do like I did. I almost crashed out. Nah, I'm talking about, so the adapter goes right on the hub, and then it go like that, and then you send the bolts in through there and snap that back in. Now I'm talking about, let's do it. Y'all see I done got everything together. I'm gonna wait and put my breaker bar on that. Once I get these sunk in, that's the little horn button, actual steering wheel. Yeah, I see the adapter down there. Now I'm talking about, let's get it. The Allen keys and whatnot installed. So now I'm gonna go back to tighten it down that axle bolt, but I waited to put the steering wheel on so I got something to hold on to while I tighten. Now I'm talking about. Like I say, when I took it out, it was kind of easy to take out, so I'm gonna tighten the shit out of this motherfucker. No cap. All right, so boom. Those are the original, horn connectors. They go right there, but like I say, my city horn don't work. My city horn is right there. Y'all see I got the Allens sunk. I done torqued over them twice. I done torqued this motherfucker down twice. Y'all see how deep it go down? Now time. Yes, sir.